As India celebrates its 77th Republic Day, the Itanagar Capital Region comes alive at Indira Gandhi Park, observing the occasion with solemnity and pride. Parade contingents fall in with disciplined precision, and citizens gather to witness the state-level celebration, marking their participation in the nation's democratic journey. The arrival of the Honorable Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, Lieutenant General K.T. Parnaik, formally commences the program as the capital pays tribute to the Constitution, the ideals of the Republic, and the spirit of unity that binds the nation. With the unfurling of the national flag by the Honorable Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, followed by the national anthem, the ceremonial march past begins. Police and paramilitary contingents, NCC cadets, scouts and guides, and school children proceed in coordinated formations, showcasing discipline, unity, and the spirit of the Republic.
इंस्पेक्टर यूबी छेत्री और सलामी मंच के ठीक सामने अब 130th बटालियन सीआरपीएफ जिसे कमांड कर रहे हैं इंस्पेक्टर जयपाल यादव, प्लाटून टॉयसी है हेड कांस्टेबल रंजीत छेत्री। 20 कदम का फासला रखते हुए अब सलामी मंच के ठीक सामने 31st बटालियन आईटीबीपी प्लाटून इंस्पेक्टर दिग्विजय सिंह के कमांड पर प्लाटून टॉयसी है कांस्टेबल सोमलाल गढ़वाल।
The next contingent is the Sikkim IRPN, platoon commanded by Sub-Inspector Suman Pokhriel, with Head Constable Santosh Chetri. Their presence reflects inter-state cooperation and unity. Marching past now is the 1st Arunachal Armed Police Battalion Chimpu, platoon commanded by Sub-Inspector Choiba Wangsu, Head Constable Raso Cherry as platoon 2IC.
सलामी मंच के सामने अब 2nd AAPBN बटालियन आलो जिसे कमांड करे सब इंस्पेक्टर ताशी रियाम, प्लाटून टॉयसी है हेड कांस्टेबल ईद आलो। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा की धुन बजाते हुए अब सलामी मंच के ठीक सामने PDC ब्रास बैंड सब इंस्पेक्टर हेमोफिल के कमांड पर प्लाटून टॉयसी सब इंस्पेक्टर SK
A proud and inspiring sight is the Police Ladies Platoon, commanded by Lady Sub-Inspector Jera Akub, with Lady Head Constable Michi Akha as 2nd 2IC. This contingent symbolizes strength, courage, and women empowerment.
प्लाटून कामिक जिसे कमांड करे एसआई आसिफ पावे और उसके ठीक पीछे पीटीसी मेल प्लाटून श्याम जिसे कमांड करे एसआई टी देवान। प्लाटून ट्वाइसी है हेड कांस्टेबल हेबू यापा।
Marching past with youthful enthusiasm is the NCC Boys contingent of Dera Natun Government College, Itanagar, platoon commanded by Pooja Sharma with Kukuriko as platoon 2IC. The next contingent is Higher Secondary Government School, NCC Boys, Itanagar, platoon commanded by Kumar Rima with Nilan Kumar Sharma as platoon 2IC.
सलामी मंच के सामने अब हायर सेकेंडरी गवर्नमेंट स्कूल एनसीसी गर्ल्स ईटानगर प्लाटून जिसे कमांड करी है मैनेरी लांगदू। प्लाटून ट्वाइसी है अंकिता रॉय। 20 कदम का फासला रखते हुए अब सलामी मंच के ठीक सामने ओजू मिशन स्कूल बॉयज नाहरलगुन प्लाटून जिसे कमांड कर रहे हैं होपू लांगदू। प्लाटून ट्वाइसी है पुलाई वांगसा।
Marching smartly past the saluting race is the Oju Mission School Girls, Naharlagun. Platoon commanded by Yarda Yalu with Kyoda Yaming, platoon 2IC.
अरुणोदया गवर्नमेंट स्कूल ईटानगर प्लाटून ताई तापू के कमांड पर प्लाटून ट्वाइसी है लेका शार। आबोतानी विद्यानिकेतन नाहरलगुन प्लाटून जिसे कमांड कर रहे हैं हुनर नादू। प्लाटून ट्वाइसी है ग्यामानपुरा।
Marching in perfect formation is Government Higher Secondary School, Nirjali. Platoon commanded by Natwang Pongla with Shivam Sarkar as platoon 2IC. Marching in perfect formation is Government Higher Secondary School, Nirjali. Platoon commanded by Natwang Pongla with Shivam Sarkar as platoon 2IC.
डॉन बॉस्को स्कूल ईटानगर प्लाटून नावम तादो के कमांड पर प्लाटून ट्वाइसी है निशान रॉय। सलामी मंच के सामने एडवेंचर स्कूल ईटानगर जिसे कमांड कर रहे हैं तार केसरी। प्लाटून ट्वाइसी है तार
Next on the parade is the Holy Cross School, Itanagar. Parade commanded by Jumchan Dhoni and Sadar W and the platoon 2IC. Marching with exemplary discipline is the VKV Girls, Itanagar. Parade commanded by Mimi Hager and platoon 2IC.
बीकेबी बैंड पीटीसी प्लाटून सलामी मंच के ठीक सामने नावम के कमांड पर प्लाटून ट्वाइसी है
Bringing the march past to a proper close is the State Sports Achievers Award. The State Sports Achievers team brings together elite meritorious sportspersons from across the state, proudly representing the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. This distinguished group showcases the state's finest sporting talent, athletes who have earned national and international recognition through outstanding medal-winning performances. Leading the team as the flag bearer is Sri Tagit Soram, an inspiring icon of grit and determination.
बहुत ही शानदार मार्च पास के पश्चात अब गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि राज्य के परमादरणीय राज्यपाल महोदय, उपस्थित जनसभा।
Following the ceremonial march past, the Honorable Governor of Arunachal Pradesh delivered the Republic Day address. He spoke of the state's steady progress across healthcare, education, and the welfare of women and children, while recognizing achievement in sports and youth development. Looking ahead, he outlined a vision for hydropower expansion, improved connectivity, farmer empowerment, and strengthened infrastructure, underscoring the promise of inclusive growth across Arunachal Pradesh.
आज 77वें गणतंत्र दिवस के अवसर पर मैं अरुणाचल के सभी नागरिकों को शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Members of Council of Ministers, Honorable Judges of the High Court, Honorable Members of Legislature, distinguished guests, my dear sisters and brothers of Arunachal Pradesh. On this momentous occasion of 77th Republic Day, I, on behalf of my government, extend very warm greetings and heartfelt best wishes to all. Today, as we unite in celebration, we reaffirm our unwavering love and commitment to our motherland. This year's Republic Day is specially inspiring as we commemorate 150th anniversary of the immortal national song Vande Mataram and embrace the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat. This theme reflects our rich civilizational heritage, collective pride, and the bold steps my government is taking towards building a self-reliant, inclusive, and prosperous India. Over the past decade, Arunachal Pradesh has made remarkable economic strides. Our gross state domestic product has increased by 2.6 times. We have also recorded a 17% growth in the state's own revenue during financial year 24-25. We have moved from scheme-centric delivery to outcome-driven governance, implementing reforms that strengthen the system, ensure predictability, and build capacity, guided by the principles of economic growth, human development, and ecological responsibilities. Friends, people are our greatest strength. While infrastructure is important, healthy, educated, skilled, and confident citizens ultimately shape the state's destiny. Therefore, we prioritize human capital as the foundation of all policy, planning, and investment reforms. Arunachal Pradesh's true strength lies in its youth, and my government is committed to skill development, entrepreneurship, and creating dignified employment opportunities. Under the C Trinity initiative, we aim to generate 25,000 jobs and self-employment opportunities over the next 4 years. Access to skill education has expanded with ITIs in Panging, Kanubari, and Lumla starting from 2025. Entrepreneurship is being actively promoted with 488 crore invested under the Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Swavlamban Yojana, which supports over 2,600 youths. Arunachal Pradesh plays a vital role in India's clean energy future with 1.2 gigawatt of hydropower operational and 4.8 gigawatt under construction. A significant milestone has been achieved with the commencement of commercial operations of one 250 megawatt unit at the 2000 megawatt Lower Subansiri hydropower project, while the remaining units are scheduled to begin operations by the end of this year, further boosting the state's hydropower capacity. In effect, we are actually contributing to the national hydropower energy by ourselves. We have declared 2025-2035 as the decade of hydropower, which is formulating Arunachal Pradesh's Energy Vision 2047 to ensure sustainable and community-focused growth. Agriculture remains the backbone of Arunachal Pradesh's livelihood, and we have prioritized reforms to support farmers, reduce risks, and enhance income security. In 2024-25, the state produced 5.2 lakhs metric tons of food grains, along with pulses and oilseeds, reflecting steady growth under PM Kisan. 1.14 lakh farmers received direct income support. Arunachal Pradesh celebrated 50 years of its Legislative Assembly in 2025, reaffirming its democratic commitment. Judicial infrastructure was strengthened with the new building of Guwahati High Court, Itanagar Permanent Bench, marking 25 years of judiciary in the state, alongside the establishment of a modern forensic science laboratory for timely, credible justice. On this solemn occasion, I once again extend my warm greetings and best wishes to the people of Arunachal Pradesh and all the fellow citizens of India. Jai Arunachal, Jai Hind.
The address was followed by a stirring rendition of the national song Vande Mataram, commemorating its 150th anniversary, performed by the Department of Art and Culture. The Chief Secretary of Arunachal Pradesh announces the state awards, recognizing individuals whose dedication and distinction have profoundly shaped the state.
And commendation certificates to government employees, social workers, institutions, and to persons who have excelled in their own field and have performed work which involves outstanding merit, exceptional bravery, and excellence. In recognition of their dedicated services towards the welfare and progress of the state, the Government of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to award 3 gold medals, 8 silver medals, and 13 commendation certificates respectively.
जल श्रीमान प्रेत को विसर्जन करने की अनुमति प्रदान कर श्रीमान जल श्रीमान
आदरणीय राज्यपाल महोदय जी से परेड विसर्जन की कार्रवाई की अनुमति लेने के पश्चात अब परेड कमांडर ताबा बिरोल परेड विसर्जन की कार्रवाई के अंतर्गत हम बेस्ट मार्च पास्ट कंटिजेंट यूनिफॉर्म और बेस्ट मार्च पास्ट कंटिजेंट स्टूडेंट्स की विजेताओं की घोषणा करना चाहेंगे। बेस्ट मार्च पास्ट कंटिजेंट यूनिफॉर्म के विजेता हैं 130th बटालियन CRPF और बेस्ट मार्च पास्ट कंटिजेंट स्टूडेंट्स के विजेता हैं।
A vivid spectrum of cultural performances takes the center stage, brought to life by folk dance troupes and school students across different schools in Arunachal Pradesh. Each performance celebrates vibrant heritage and remarkable diversity of Arunachal's tribes, weaving stories of tradition, valor, and everyday life. The program unfolds with war dances that echo courage and strength, marriage ceremonial dances that honor union and community, and animal and hunting dances that reflect the deep bond between humans and nature. It reaches a climax in a grand mega dance, uniting the most prominent tribes of Arunachal Pradesh in a dazzling display of rhythm, color, and cultural pride, a living tapestry that pays homage to the state's traditions and the enduring spirit of its people.
Abotani for a truly Viksit Arunachal Viksit Bharat.
Nishi Boya dance from Sepa, East Kameng district.
The next presentation is the powerful Tapu War dance, locally known as the Mimak Tapu, performed by the male members of the Adi tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. Traditionally performed before and after battles, this vigorous and war dance symbolizes courage, unity, and the warrior spirit. It also holds historical significance, having been performed during the Anglo-Boer War in the British era. It also holds historical significance. Today, Tapu War dance is performed during festivals, especially Unyingarans, celebrated every year in the month of March. Rupnida Parik is a traditional folk dance of the Galo tribe performed during marriage ceremonies, danced by men to rhythmic beats of metal plates. It is believed to have originated during the wedding rituals of Abotani and Doi Mumsi, the ancestral parents of the mankind. The dance is presented by the groom's side to warmly welcome the bride's party as they approach the groom's residence, usually 15 to 20 minutes before the ritual sacrifice of the Mithun. Symbolizing goodwill, joy, prosperity, and harmony, Irup Nida Parik conveys blessing for a happy and prosperous married life, fostering unity between the bride's and the groom's families as the marriage rituals conclude. Aji Lamu dance is mostly performed by the Monpa and Shertukpen tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. It is a traditional masked dance and drama of 5 characters. This folk performance is a blend of dance, song, dialogue and mime with deep cultural and mythological significance.
Khamti Peacock and Golden Deer dance from Namsai district.
The Thai Khamti dances are among the most important traditional folk art forms of the Thai Khamti community, reflecting their rich cultural, historical, and religious heritage. Deeply rooted in Buddhist beliefs and ancient traditions, these dances narrate stories of nature, morality, and daily life. performed with harmonious traditional instruments such as drums, kongpat, gongs, and cymbals. Each dance has its own distinct identity. The Golden Deer dance, known as Ka Kang Kham, is based on the Buddhist tale of Lord Buddha's previous birth.
अब तवांगजलि से आप सबों के समक्ष मोनपा याक एंड लायन डांस.
This traditional dance of the Monpa tribe of Arunachal Pradesh celebrates the yak's vital role in mountain life, symbolizing strength, prosperity, and harmony with nature. The dance unfolds as a pantomime narrative depicting the discovery of the yak. And it In front of us, we have the Wancho War dance from Longding district. This dance troupe hails from the Wanu village of Longding district, representing the Wancho tribe, one of the major indigenous communities of Arunachal Pradesh. Historically known for their warrior traditions, the Wancho were once described as the headhunters by the British. The dance being presented is called Run Cut, meaning go to war. Through this performance, the troupe depicts how their forefathers prepared for the battle, carefully planning strategies, assessing the strength and location of the enemies, and performing rituals to read omens before advancing. Only when the signs were favorable would they proceed. The dance portrays their disciplined preparation, coordinated assault, and victorious return, symbolizing courage, unity, and valor. Is a soulful Nepali song that beautifully blends Tamang traditions into a melodic tribute to life in the hills. It captures the raw splendor of nature and the quiet joy of companionship, painting a vivid picture of blooming red rhododendrons across rugged landscapes. Through its heartfelt lyrics, the song speaks of enduring love, likening to a partner's gentle smile, pure as the mountains themselves, and a promise of lifelong devotion.
बच्चाको देख्दा बुजुले कम्मर मर्काको मेमेले डम्फु बच्चाको देख्दा मामले कम्मर मर्काको मर्दको छोरो हौ भने सगुण राख्नु आजै.
Casio is a traditional folk dance of the Bugun tribe, meaning to dance or let us dance. It is performed during important occasions such as births, weddings, and festivals. The dance blends folk music, songs, and the rhythmic movements, reflecting joy and community spirit. Casio has two forms, Gig Casio and Gigindal Casio. In today's program, Gigindal Casio is being presented, a form commonly performed during formal festivals such as Pam Ko Sovai, Chat Sovai, and Deen Ko Sovai.
Tagin folk dance.
The Seju dance is a traditional folk dance performed by the Na Tagin community of Taksing Circle in Upper Subansiri district. It is associated with the Seju festival and reflects the community's prayers for good health, harmony, and the overall well-being of humankind. The dance also symbolizes gratitude and hope for a bountiful harvest, celebrating the close bond between nature, agriculture, and human life.
Juge o yuga manam sina, si juge o yuga rinam sina, nidu Nyanyi bunyi kabolin dube Rijiki bunyi kabolin dube Dinta su bunyi kapabo dube Mili amlini kalibo dube Menama kamu jenam mulges ijusi.
This is the Purohik dance from Itanagar Capital Region. The Purohik folk song that portrays a lively musical dialogue between boys and girls. Through graceful movements, the boys invite the girls to dance, accompanied by the soulful melodies of traditional instruments such as the balak, which is flute, and the gaigong, the jol harp. In response, the girls request the boys to play the rhythmic tebung, which is the drum, and the melodies of Rory, the sitar, creating a vibrant exchange of music and movement that celebrates harmony, courtship and cultural expression. Hatang Gong is a vibrant folk dance from the Kaman Miju Mishmi tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. Rooted in tradition and belief, it reflects community harmony and the bond between humans and the nature. Performed to rhythmic drums, chants and indigenous music, the dance is traditionally presented during festivals and important gatherings, celebrating unity, joy and cultural continuity.
दिबांग वैली डिस्ट्रिक्ट की ओर से अब आप सबों के समक्ष ईदु मिस्मी लोक नृत्य रोइंग से।
This song beautifully captures the spirit of unity and belonging with the Idu Mishmi community, celebrating ancestral pride and cultural identity passed down through generations. It calls upon the people, especially the younger generation, to join hands in progress while preserving, protecting and promoting the rich traditions and cultural legacy of the Idu Mishmis. the Dewas crew from Itanagar capital region. Arunachal Pradesh, known as the land of the rising sun, is a home to remarkable cultural diversity with over 26 major tribes and numerous sub-tribes. Each community has its own language, traditions, attire, cuisine and a way of life. This presentation features 9 prominent tribes showcasing the rich cultural heritage, unity in diversity, and deep connection with nature that make Arunachal Pradesh truly unique.
कल्चरल ट्रूप्स के द्वारा बहुत ही बेहतरीन नृत्य के कार्यक्रमों का प्रदर्शन, झूमता गाता नाचता अरुणाचल प्रदेश गणतंत्र दिवस के इस शुभ अवसर पर सभी कल्चरल ट्रूप्स के द्वारा अपनी खुशी का इजहार बहुत ही बेहतरीन नृत्य के जरिए।
Ladies and gentlemen, with this, the cultural presentations come to a close. The performance is beautifully...
The 77th Republic Day celebration of Arunachal Pradesh drew to a close with trophy distributions honoring participants across cultural performance and parade contingents, recognizing their dedication, discipline, and remarkable displays throughout the day. Among the distinctions, the 138th Battalion CRPF contingent received special recognition for their impeccable uniform and precision among the uniform platoons, while the Dera Natung Government College NCC boys stood out among the student contingents for their exemplary performance. As the festivities concluded, the day lingered as a reflection of India itself, a nation of unity and diversity, resilience and enduring spirit. Arunachal Pradesh, with its towering hills, flowing rivers, and rich mosaic of tribes and traditions, stood as a testament to the spirit, celebrating both its unique identity and its integral place within the Republic. The 77th Republic Day was not merely a ceremonial observance, but a living celebration of culture, courage, and community, a reminder that the strength of a nation lies in the people who nurture its heritage, embrace its diversity, and strive continually towards progress.
जनवरी 2026 को लोक भवन ईटानगर में चित्रकला और निबंध लेखन प्रतियोगिताएं आयोजित की गई। ये कार्यक्रम राज्यपाल सचिवालय द्वारा आयोजित किए गए, जिसमें डोई पोलो मिशन स्कूल फॉर द हियरिंग एंड विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड चिंपू और ओजू मिशन स्कूल नाहरलगुन के छात्रों सहित बड़ी संख्या में स्कूल बच्चों ने उत्साहपूर्वक भाग लिया था। उनकी उत्साही भागीदारी ने आज के इस समारोह में और रंग भर दिया है। विजेताओं को राज्यपाल जी, माननीय राज्यपाल जी आज के इस एट होम समारोह में पुरस्कार प्रदान करेंगे। अब हम माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय से आपके मंगल हाथों से इस पुस्तक का विमोचन करने तथा प्रतियोगिताओं के विजेताओं को पुरस्कार प्रदान करने के लिए विनम्र निवेदन करते हैं। गवर्नमेंट आमा प्राइमरी स्कूल ESS सेक्टर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।
मौलिक अधिकार हैं, कुछ कर्तव्य हैं, और ये भी देखना है कि संविधान की भावनाओं को भी आहित नहीं करना है। संविधान की भावनाओं को समझते हुए अपने अधिकार और कर्तव्य का प्रयोग करें तो ज़्यादा सुखदायक होता है। इस हर एक नागरिक का कर्तव्य है कि वो संविधान की मौलिक अधिकारों की सुरक्षा करे।
और अब हम बुलाते हैं HWC SP3 डॉक्टर Venom Pankaj,
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154
He is being honored in recognition of his hard work, sincerity and dedication.
सलामी देते हुए और नंबर 2 प्लाटून परेड कमांडर केंटो तासो AP name of the contingent Arunachal
Thank you so much. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे पूरे पर्सनल एनसीसी स्काउट एंड गाइड के लिए। इसी के साथ कर रहे हैं कुमारी दीपिका छेत्री। अपर प्राइमरी स्कूल पीडब्ल्यूडी तवांग, जिसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं लवसंग लामू। और यही हमारे देश के भविष्य है। निकट भविष्य में यही जो बच्चे हैं ये देश को संभालेंगे, ये हमारे देश के लिए हड्डी बनेंगे, बनेंगे। 8वां नंबर प्रेम मगर के नेतृत्व में यहाँ पर पार हो चुका है। 9वां नंबर स्काउट बॉय अपर प्राइमरी स्कूल काकली श्री तेंजिंग चुआन। 10वां प्लाटून स्काउट बॉय गोपन अपर प्राइमरी स्कूल शो के मैन प्लाटून, जिसका प्लाटून कमांडर है हवलदार दीपक कुमार।
Secondary School Khonsa, Platoon Commander Anon Wangsu, Second in Command Miss Jikau Wangpan. Platoon number 7 RK Sarda Mission Girls School Khonsa, Platoon Commander Miss Noni Bayang, Second in Command Miss Karang Api. Platoon number 8 Eklavia Model Residential School Khela, Platoon Commander Miss Lee Phe Wangsu, Second in Command Miss Kamcha Tesia. Platoon number 9 Kendriya Vidyalaya School Khonsa, Platoon Commander Miss Chaso. Second in command Sri Vivek.